This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill your Jeep Wrangler coolant. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant or steam. Wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself. Park your vehicle on a flat, level surface for an accurate coolant level reading. Finally, always refer to your owner's manual for the correct coolant type for your specific Jeep model. Now, let's locate your coolant reservoir. It's typically a translucent plastic tank near the radiator, often marked with a yellow cap. Check the fluid level against the MIN and MAX lines on the side of the reservoir. If it's below the minimum, it's time to add more. Also, take a moment to observe the color of your current coolant and inspect all hoses for any visible leaks or cracks. When adding coolant, it's crucial to use the exact type specified in your Jeep's owner's manual. Mixing different types can cause damage. Slowly pour the coolant directly into the reservoir, being careful not to exceed the MAX fill line. Overfilling can lead to excessive pressure and potential leaks. A funnel can be very helpful here to prevent any spills and ensure a clean, precise pour. Once you've filled the coolant, securely replace the reservoir cap. Then, start your Jeep's engine and let it run until it reaches its normal operating temperature. This allows the coolant to circulate throughout the system. After the engine has completely cooled down again, recheck the coolant level in the reservoir. Top it off if necessary, and always inspect for any new leaks around the cap or hoses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.